Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is daily time frame, and we had this trend line for the price, which it was like this at the first look. We connect this one to this one, and when we see that shadow out of the trend line, we extended the trend line like this, and right now the price tried to break this trend line to the upside, but it couldn't close its body of the candle, daily candle, above this trend line. If this candle can close like this, okay, close like this at the end of the day, we will extend our trend line like this and wait for the next candles to break it, okay, to the upside. But right now the candle is not closed. If the body of the candle can close above the trend line, then we can say it is a breakout. Then we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, like here or even here below these candles, and look for our risk to reward too. But on 4 hour time frame, if we check that, we have some shadows from upside, okay. You know, we can actually imagine a resistance like this for the price. You know, the price touches this level and starts falling, okay, this level here, once here and the second time here, okay, and the price is reacting to this level. If you don't actually ignore this trend line here, sorry, we have this resistance for the price too, which the price is reacting to that level and making some shadows from upside, showing that the buyers are getting weaker and sellers are coming in, and we might have some, you know, downward movements for the Bitcoin price on lower time frames, like 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, if the daily candle can't close the body of the candle above this trend line, okay. If daily candle can't close its body above this trend line, then we can actually enter some sell positions on lower time frames. On 1 hour time frame, if we check that, we had this trend line for the price, we entered the buy position here, and right now it gave us our reward somewhere here, okay. But you know, if you have put your stop loss somewhere safe like here, then you could earn your actually reward. Yeah. In otherwise, you know, if you have put it here, your stop loss was going to be activated by this candle. I'm just deleting this trend line. Yeah, you can see the shadows from upside. It is actually hard to have some buy scenarios here with these shadows from upside from on this resistance. And yeah, I told you that the scenarios on daily time frame and 4 hour time frame. On 15-minute time frame, if we check that, we could actually have some buy positions here in the previous of the market, like this one, with the break of this trend line. And when we see that shadow there, we extend it and it was broken here, okay. We could risk here and enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our risk to reward too, which the price goes up and gives us our reward. Nothing special on 15-minute time frame of the live market. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. If the chart can be loaded, I think we can have a trend line here, yeah, like this, really nice. Let me show you. We can actually, oh my god, we can actually have a trend line like this here, and also this one here too. If I can draw that truly, yeah, something like this. With the break of this trend line here to the downside, we can enter sell position on 5-minute time frame. And also this one here to the upside, we can enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our risk to reward too. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of the Bitcoin by technical side in the upcoming days. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. It is actually Bitcoin chart, and it is 5-minute time frame, and it is 29th of April 2023. On the first position we have this actually resistance for the price. You can see that we have two resistances here. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling, okay, and we don't care that this level was a resistance in the previous of the market or not, okay. Recently the market touches this level and starts falling, so this is a resistance for the price, okay. Oh no, this one here and also this one here, which we had a reaction here too. And if we extend these lines, you can see in the future the price returns to that level and reacts to this resistance here, okay, like this one, a nice pin bar, if I can put it somewhere away, a nice pin bar here, okay, a long shadow from upside showing the weakness of the buyers, okay, and a small body below that shadow, long shadow. So this is a pin bar candle, okay. Then we can risk on that and enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candles, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a bit lesser than 3 somewhere here. And if you didn't close your position, if you have even risk free that, okay, putting your stop loss in your entry point, you could have earned even more somewhere here. On the second position we did have this trend line for the price with actually 1, 2, 3 touches on that. When we see this candle breaks it to the upside, we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candles, and it gives us a reward of 2 somewhere here. And also if we have missed this position here, we could enter buy position with the break of this trend line here and putting our stop loss somewhere safe and get our reward. And here we had another trend line with 2 touches on that. When we see this candle breaks it, we could risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss here or even here and get our reward, which I didn't actually. That's why I didn't count that too. On the trade 3 we did have this trend line for the price. The price was falling and makes a correction, and when we see this trend line here, we can risk on that with the break of this and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles. And if we see, you know, this is the first leg, and after this correction the second leg here, okay. On the trade 4 and the last one, we have this trend line like this one, which was broken here to the upside, so we can risk on that and enter buy position, put our stop loss below these candles number safe, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around 3.5 somewhere here, and even more than that somewhere on this shadow here, okay, something like 4 here. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thank you and bye bye.